Facebook, how to block someone from commenting. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can block someone from commenting, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to block someone from commenting, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all you launch the Facebook application that you can find here. And let's say there is a particular post on which you don't want people to comment, or you want to block only specific people from commenting. For that, just make sure to scroll down from the bottom here, and then you'll find this particular profile page here where you need to tap the three dots option over here, and then you'll find the option that says who can comment on your post. Now in case you don't find that option, sometimes you might find it, sometimes you might not find it over here, right? So you might also try looking for the other post where you'll find the option such as who can comment on your post. You can make sure to tap on it, and here you can select profiles and pages you mentioned, friends and established followers, or public. Depending upon whatever you want to do, you can just tap the done option in order to save the changes. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically find out who can go ahead and then comment on your post. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.